Today, we are debunking the myth that more features equals a better product because it doesn't at all. We got to get people to stop thinking that. In fact, feature overload can actually cripple your product and frustrate your user. It's all about shifting your focus to building what users truly need, not just adding bells and whistles and shiny things. And I know it's really hard to convince the business of that sometimes, but keep fighting that good fight. So just imagine a product that's overflowing with features. I like to think of it as like a cluttered toolbox. Now, in the toolbox, there are wrenches and screwdrivers, but then there's also like a potato peeler, a lipstick, random keys that I don't know what to do with. Um, Tissue. I mean, it has everything in this toolbox, everything. But I'm just looking for a hammer and a nail. That's all I need is a hammer and a nail. So now I'm totally lost and frustrated because I can't do what I need to do. I can't find what I'm looking for. This is what happens to users when your product is feature rich but doesn't necessarily contain the right features. A product with so much functionality becomes complex and intimidating. Users get lost and struggle to find what they really need. Development becomes slow and cumbersome, and the core value of the product gets completely buried. This is the feature factory fallacy. I'm Sheila Hammond, and I've been doing the BAPO thing for over 25 years. And I want to tell you that great products prioritize user needs over features every time. First of all, stop chasing the shiny features and focus on solving real user problems. Be user centric. Conduct user interviews, surveys, and usability testing to understand what the customer's pain points are and what they want your product to do. Build features that directly address what matters most to your users. And remember, not all features are created equal. Prioritize the features based on the value they deliver to the users and not just their technical feasibility. Just because dev can build it doesn't mean users want it. Develop a scoring system based on factors like user impact, effort to implement, and alignment with your product vision. Prioritize features that deliver the biggest bang for your buck. Become a ruthless prioritizer. And by that, I mean learn to say no to features that don't align with your user research or with the product strategy or with the company direction. Explain your reasoning clearly to your stakeholders and offer alternative solutions if possible. Remember, a focused product roadmap leads to faster development and to happier users. A product doesn't need to do everything for everyone. Focus on prioritizing user needs and building a product that offers genuine value. Leave a comment below with your favorite user research technique and hit that like button for more product ownership tips. Let's build products that users love, not just feature-laden monstrosities. Subscribe to my channel for more content. That's all I got for today. Lazy BA out.